Hi everyone, my name is Neeti Makar and I'm co-founder of Asarte, and we're into modular kitchens, wardrobes and vanities for over 25 years in the industry. And I have my beautiful friend and guide and mentor here.
Sabina Khanna. That's so sweet of you, Neeti. Likewise, I'm Sabina Khanna, founder principal, Studio KIA. We're based out of Gurgaon and the UAE. We've been into architectural consultancy design for 4 decades and now into development of our own projects as well.
Okay, so I think let's do it this way. I should ask you the question and then you ask me the
So, what
question.
do you feel about Wade Asia this year?
Oh, I think it's only getting better and bigger every year. And hats off to Vartika and Pragat. We were talking about this, in fact,
Absolutely,
a while ago. They're doing a brilliant job. My God, full of energy and zeal. And they put up a great show. What do you have to say?
I second what you're saying, Neeti, completely. Pragat, Vartika, Madhu have done an amazing job. And before you know it, it's been 9 years. I've been a part of it ever since its very start and onset. And to know that next year they'll be completing 10 years, it's fabulous. More power to them. I think the exhibition, Matisha, is all phenomenal. The way it has grown, the way they've got the kind of material and vendors and industry, the involvement between the fraternity and the industry is amazing. It's growing year by year, and I wish them great success.
Surfaces Reporter magazine, I think it's a go to magazine for us because whether it's an architect or it's somebody from the fraternity, we can't do without knowing what's happening and what's the update. So I think this is one magazine which gives us really up to date on what we need to know.
Absolutely, it's got great, brilliant content, and we look forward to reading the magazine, month on month. Amazing work that's being done. It's not easy to put up a show and have a publication which is so regular. We love Wade Asia.
Oh, absolutely. And it's a pleasure and an honor to be on the panel year on year. And thank you very much for hosting us.
Thank you so much.